Hi and welcome. Today we're going to think about, is it important to keep your caravan solar roof panel clean? So does it make a difference if your panel is dirty or clean? Well, we're about to find out. What I would advise is try not to put anything on the panel. I've actually put some protectors on underneath the camera to keep it safe. The first reason for keeping your caravan solar panel clean is that the solar panel on your roof will help charge the battery when you're not with your caravan to stop it going flat. The second use for your solar panel on your roof is that as you go away, it will help keep your battery lasting that little bit longer than if you didn't have the panel there. So let's see, does it make a difference if the panel is dirty or clean? Find out in a second. So we're in the caravan wardrobe, and this is where on our caravan, from the roof, the panel is above us and the input comes in, and then we've got the charge controller, which basically takes the electricity being generated by the panel, then converts that to make sure it's ready and not to overcook the battery and pass it on. What we've had to do, because we haven't got the posh version, you might have a posh version which shows you the output, is we've had to find where the clip is that comes in. So behind this panel here is where the clip is. We're going to pull that out gently and we're going to measure the output of the panel before and after we've cleaned the panel to see what the difference is in the output from the panel in a good condition. So as you can possibly see, the panel is quite dirty. It's got quite a lot of dust on. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a little bit of Phoenix, and we'll put a link down below for some Phoenix caravan cleaner. We've also brought some soft cloths along, and what you'll also possibly need is we're going to try some fast glass as well. Again, links in the description for affiliate links to see if that does make a big difference or whether it's just a case of keeping the top clean and then it's sorted. So all we're doing is just spraying a little bit of the Phoenix on top, and then we can give it a rub just to make sure that that's working okay. So soft cloth, blue cloth to start off with, just to make sure that we don't actually get it mixed up. We're going to gently, really gently clean the top. And the reason we do it so gently is that we don't want to scratch the panel, because if we do scratch the panel, then that's going to reduce the efficiency of the panel as well. So we've now cleaned the solar panel, and let's see the results. Well, before we cleaned the solar panel, we were getting out of our massive solar panel, which is a whole 20 watts of power. Oh yes, please comment below how powerful is your solar panel. So before we cleaned it, we knew the max was 20 watts. We were getting somewhere in the region of 16, at the very top 17 before we cleaned it. Once we cleaned it, we were now getting 19 to just under 20, so at 19.5. There will be some slight issues there. To do this, we used a multimeter and we measured the voltage and the amperage, and we multiplied the two to get the output of the panel. So as we can see, making sure you keep that panel clean is quite a big difference. The numbers seem quite small, but if you think about that in terms of percentages, that is around a 25% or just over 20% gain of having the solar panel clean instead of having it dirty. And that's going to be quite important if you're going off grid and you need to keep your battery topped up. If you don't already, please consider subscribing to our channel by pressing the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Please give our video a like and put a comment down below about your solar panel. How well do you think it works, and will you go off grid this year? On your screen now, you will see to the bottom left a playlist of maintenance videos for your caravan, so please feel free to watch some of those, and the top right, a little video about reasons why to keep your caravan roof clean and some top tips about cleaning the roof.